Yo, she said it's hard for her to trust. I said it's hard for me to love. I even gave her all I had, but I guess it wasn't enough. Should have known.
What is good, everyone? DSG Panther here. Today is actually so warm outside, so today we're actually going to be putting something on my car, and I'm going to get into it right now. So I'm actually at the car right now. We are going to open it up and you guys are going to see what I am putting on the car. Can you guys guess what this is? Now this is a rear diffuser for this car, and honestly I can't wait to put this on. This is going to be so sick. Yeah, let's just get to Lewis's, because Lewis is going to be fitting this for me today, so thank you, shout out to him. But yeah, my camera's probably going to die today, so I'm going to have to film it on my phone, sadly. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's see what this looks like on the car, and let's head on to Lewis. Alright guys, just before we get into the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to Quality for sending me out this sick care package. And they're now going to be a big sponsor of the YouTube channel, so massive shout out to them. In here we actually have a Quality waterproofing spray for all your trainers. Now this is actually the best thing to use in the world. You just spray it on your trainers a couple of times, and as you know, I'm quite a big trainer sneakerhead, so you literally just spray this onto your shoes a couple of times, and then these are fully waterproof. You can see on the Instagrams and TikToks that it works so well, and I'm actually so thankful they're sponsoring this video. And we also have the Quality Crease Defender, which actually helps you prevent like your shoes from creasing. Clearly I need it because mine are creased, so this will definitely be like a massive help out for me. But yeah, massive shout out to Quality for sponsoring this. You can go and use my promo code, which is DSG Panther 10, to get yourself 10% off anything on the website. So I definitely go and recommend you guys go and cop some Quality, because I'm actually so thankful that they have sponsored this video. But yeah, let's get into the cinematics of Lewis putting these rear diffuser on, and then we can have a little chat about it and how easy it was to put on. But yeah, let's get into little cinematics, and we can show you how to put this rear diffuser on. But yeah, let's do it. I want to say a massive shout out to Lewis for fitting this diffuser. It's honestly so sick. But yeah, let's get out and let's go and talk about the diffuser and how to fit it. Yeah, let's go and do that. Right, so guys, as you can see, the stance of this car has just changed so much after putting this diffuser on. It looks so much better. Like, yeah, if you guys want this diffuser, I will leave the link in the description. It was £40. This isn't the Maxton one because I don't like Maxton. This is from eBay. Yeah, honestly, I actually think it's really good. So the way you fit this is you line it up in the middle, obviously, to make sure it's in line with the car. As you can see, it is clearly straight. And yeah, it literally just sits here, and then it also sits on, see the plastic bit here on the Polo bumper, you have this. This just needs to line up with that. And say on that one, then you know that you've got this in the middle. And then it's literally just 1, 2, 3, and 4 under there, and then that is literally it. That is literally how you fit this diffuser. As you can literally clearly tell, it has actually changed the stance of this car so much, and it just looks so much more aggressive. Like, obviously I'm done with the back now, like I don't need to do anything else, just got a couple more bits to go on the front and that, but literally from the back I'm done. Like, that looks so much more aggressive, like actually looks sick. So I definitely recommend you guys doing this. If you guys have any more modifications that you want to see, put them down in the comments. Thank you so much for the support recently. I have really been trying to do videos, and obviously I don't want to do a video if it's just tinting my lights or something, because it's not really worth a whole YouTube video, if you get what I mean. But yeah, the Polo is actually coming along so sickly recently. Shout out to everyone DMing me on Instagram saying they love the videos, because I am trying. But yeah, so just want to talk from the front's perspective that we do have a couple more things coming. Obviously I'm going to change the colours of the wheels, and I'm not telling you what colour I am going yet. That is going to stay completely red. You think I'm going black, but I'm not. Just wait for the colour on them. And obviously I actually got some eyelids coming just to go over here from the freshest. He's going to send me some out, so that'd be good to get them on, and then probably just a front splitter to go on the front. And then that'll probably be it. I might do side skirts, I'm not too sure yet, but obviously we've done quite a lot. We've done the window tints, done the spoiler, and we've done the sticker on the back, the red overlays which you can get from the freshest, then obviously the beastly diffuser. Like, look at that, that is just fat. It just looks like a golfr from the back now. I'm actually so chuffed, it looks so beastly. And obviously I want to get the diversion lights. But yeah, so that is literally how you fit that diffuser. I will show you what screws to get if you don't get the screws with it. So the screws you get are actually from Screwfix. You can get different size ones. I do have the label, so I don't have the box, but this is the label for the ones that I use for it. They're called Easy Drive, and they're literally just self-drilling screws. These are the ones you want. I bought 25 mil, but they're probably a bit too small. I'd probably recommend getting probably 38 mil. They'd be a bit longer because obviously it's quite you want to make sure that it's properly like put in here, because you don't want this moving about, which clearly that ain't going anywhere. Like, as you can, that ain't going anywhere. But yeah, honestly guys, I 100% recommend getting this diffuser. It looks so much better. And why would you go and pay 160 quid for the Maxton one when you can literally just pay like 40 quid and literally have the same thing? It makes no sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let's get to 2k this year, because that is my goal. And I hope you guys are enjoying the Polo videos. As I already said, way more mods coming for this car. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the cinematics of it as well. But yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram, DSG Panther, and follow me on TikTok, DSG_Panther, because I'm now posting TikTok, so you'll see a lot of like behind the scenes on that. But yeah, that would be me in the Polo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.